Does sine 3x equal 2 sine x? No. Well, to figure out why it's a no, let's do left side check. So doing a left side check, we could do sine 3x. So sine 3x could be written as sine bracket x plus 2x, which makes it 3x. This could be a and this could be our b. So in this case, sine a plus b is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So let's write it that way. So that's going to be sine a cos b plus cos a, which is x, sine b, which is 2x. Almost running out of space there. Now, let's try to simplify this down further. So simplifying this, how do you simplify our cos 2x? Because we're trying to get to sine, right? So getting it simplified all the way down to cos 2x, that means we follow right here. So cos x, x minus x equals cos x plus or minus sine x, sine x. So since our value here is going to be positive, so it's going to be positive that way. Our value here is going to be negative, so the value here is going to be negative. So doing that, we know we're going to get cos 2x minus sine 2x. So getting it that way, now what do we do with that information? Well, we got to get this form down into our sine. Well, how do we do that? Well, cos 2x is also, we could use the double angle formula to, double angle identities to figure that out. So that's going to be 1 is equal to cos. So what's up here? So 1 cos 2x plus sine 2x is equal to 1, I'll write it the other way so it's easier. Uh, I'll write it this way. So that's going to be 1 minus sine 2x. So cos 2x is equal to 1 minus sine 2x. So let's replace our cos 2x minus sine 2x with our 1 minus sine 2x. So doing that, that's going to give us 1 minus sine 2x. Going up, that's minus sine 2x again, minus sine 2x. Well, these are the same, so they can add. That becomes 2 sine 2x 1 minus. So let's plug that back into our equation here. That's going to be sine x bracket 1 minus 2 sine squared x bracket plus cos x bracket. What's sine 2x going to be? Well, sine 2x is pretty much going to be this. Well, over here we could see sine A and sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Well, they're pretty much all in our case it's going to be x, right? So that will be sine x cos x plus cos x sine x. Well, you can see that these are both of these values are the same. This also is the same as saying 2 cos x sine x, since there's two of those. So let's plug this part back into our equation out here. So that's going to be 2 sine x cos x. Boom. Now let's simplify this one down further. Well, sine x times 1, that's going to give you sine x. Sine x multiplied by negative 2 sine 2x, that's going to give you a negative 2 sine x cubed. So negative 2 sine x or cubed x. And then now we add this. So cos x multiplied by this. Well, cos multiplied by this is only going to make the cos x squared here. So doing that, that's going to make it, that's just gonna make it 2 sine x cos squared x, or better x that. Now we almost have everything except our cos squared x. Again, our cos squared x could be written as 1 minus 2x. So let's rewrite that equation again. So it's gonna look like sine x minus 2 sine 3x. I'll write the better 3x plus 2 sine x multiplied by 1 minus sine 2x. Boom. Now, sine x, these are all gonna be the same. So that's gonna be sine x minus 2 sine 3x plus, over here, 2 sine x times 1, that's still gonna give you 2 sine x. It won't do anything. But 2 sine x times a negative sine 2x, that's going to give you a negative 2 sine x, or 3 sine 3x. So let's go down. Now let's do the function. Sorry, let's look at the ones that are similar. So I'm just gonna change the color here. So we could see how this is the same as this, and now we could see this is the same as this. So now let's do distributive functions and add them. So adding them, sine x plus 2 sine x, that's going to give you 3 sine x. Negative 2, that's going to be a negative 4. Negative 4 sine 3x. So now this is left side. But does left side equal right side? Well, our right side is just only 3 sine x. So left side can, or does not, equal right side. Thank you.